Hey, what's up? JD here with the Fusion Pipeline, and welcome to another exciting breakthrough video regarding Black Ops 7 Endgame, where you can easily grab those 250 critical kills, bringing you all the way to the TOPAZ Camo by simply taking advantage of the burn run 3 to 5 times. All you need to do is let your partner drive while you shoot the barrels with the gun that you're trying to camo grind with.
I want you to clip this.
Doing so will count as critical kills, and it keeps the vehicle's crank meter from depleting. This means you can take your time, cruise nice and slow, and get those camos before this gets patched. Shout out to Biggie for finding this technique. Share it with your friends. Till then, enjoy this quick clip on how my brother Biggie was able to grab his last 2 camos.
Left. Yep. Right side.
Copy.
Left side. Left side. And some on the right. Whoop. Left side.
Topaz snake.
Left side.
I'm done.
That's crazy. Clip it. Exfil it.
Yeah.